Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you delete ChatGPT history. So at first, you need to have an account in ChatGPT. If you have an account, then just go to the ChatGPT app. I'm using Chrome. Now here you can see in the top left here, three dash icon. Click on it. After clicking it, here you can see in the bottom your Gmail account. Just click on it. Sorry. After clicking it, here you can see the second option here is clear conversations. Click on it. Again, click it to confirm clear conversations. Now your conversation is deleted. So guys, that's how you can clear story on ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.